Hi, my name is Lexash, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I just kind of want to rant. I hope that's okay. Is there anyone else that is genuinely tired? What?
Why not just start it that
Why?
today I just want to rant?
What's
It's
wrong with
just
that?
like something catchy. Because when that high, my name is Lexash, you can bring it later.
Okay.
Today I just want to rant. Is there anybody that want to learn high in Lexash?
You can cut it like that. I don't care. Is there anyone else that is tired? Is just exhausted? It's like there's so much going on in the world, and you're just trying to create. You're an artist, you've been creating now for a couple of years, and you're at a point where you just feel exhausted and tired, and like nothing is exciting anymore. And you're not depressed, but you're not necessarily excited by most of like the work that you do anymore. How do you deal with that? I have felt that a lot of the times, and I always try to, find something to, make myself excited again. Maybe I take time off creating. Maybe I take time to, maybe explore other form of art forms. Maybe I buy new gear because there's excitement that comes with new things. At least I feel that. I don't know about you. I watch maybe more tutorials, try to learn new things, but it just feels sometimes like it's the same thing over and over and over and over again. Like you get a client and they want you to shoot them and then you shoot it, and it's what they want, not what you want. And you go, you shoot, you get the lighting right, you get the camera settings right, and you come back and you edit the same image, that this person wants. They want a repeat of that for this next person, and so you are tired. Yeah, I felt like that as well. I guess I feel like that a lot of the time. That's why I can, talk about it and share how I'm feeling about it. I guess I'm not necessarily looking for any solution at this point. I think it's part of the process of being a creative. Is that sometimes you get to a point where you are losing the excitement. But then the thing that I know is that it comes back. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like once in a while you something happens and then you just remember why you started, or you remember that love that you had initially for it. And I think that is part of the process of creating, because if you don't feel the times when things are low, if you don't get those moments where things are not as exciting as they typically are, you will not be able to fully appreciate the times that things are actually good. It's the shadows that make the lights, and the lights make the shadows. Those are the things that build depth and beauty in an image. So, I think this rant is it's not going exactly as I planned. I think I'm trying to also kind of encourage myself as much as I encourage you to, keep pushing regardless. Doing this now for about 10, 11 years. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and I'm looking forward to those small bits of highs that we get when something new happens or something exciting happens that reminds us of why we do what we do. I guess the point is take the time you need. Whenever you have these low moments, feel it, explore it, see what works for you to, get out of the funk. But just hang in there. It gets frustrating at times, yes, I know, but it gets better too. So if it means you taking up a new skill, get ahead and do that. If you can afford it, buy a new lens and try it out until it gets boring again. Go meet up with other photographers. I'm sure there are other people who are feeling the exact same. We have been having conversations with my photography friends and seeing how we can, what the next steps for us would look like. And it's not like we have all the answers, but at least you know that you're not alone in how you're feeling, and the feeling of monotony and tiredness and exhaustion, and and for me, it's not even necessarily a question of lacking creativity. Like, that if I wanted to try something, there's a variety of inspiring, ideas that I can create and work with. But it's just that monotony, and of course there's the business side of things where, okay, you get to a point where like you're getting work or you're not getting work, and it just feels like the work you want to be doing is not as exciting as you hoped it would be. Or you're meeting clients that just keep asking for the same thing, depending on what is going on with you. Yeah, just hang in there. Just hang in there and keep doing, because part of the process is getting through this downtime so you can find something new and exciting, and like use that to propel you further, because the more you do, the better you get. So I guess the message of this thing, and I'm going to title it "Hang in There," because that's what we all need to do. Hang in there. Till next time, it's like Sash.